thing got smashed all the way around. I was on the way back from Vancouver, and I just saw there's a big wreck right in the middle of I-84 in the fast lane. So I'm gonna head back that way, try to get it on the truck and get it off the road as fast as possible. But I'll let you know when we get there. See ya. Alright everybody, we got that one off the freeway. It was in a really bad spot there, right on the median. I was thinking I'll just hook up easily to both the A-arms, but that driver's side, I just couldn't get under there without getting all covered in mud. I was like, yeah, there's no point to get that dirty. So I got the hook on the one side there, and then luckily we still had the keys for the car, so I hopped in, turned the wheel as far to the other side as it could, put it in neutral, and it rolled right up to the middle, tied it down, and got it off the road. Then luckily ODOT was there to help me throw a bunch of the pieces back inside the car. That way we could get out of there and free up traffic as quickly as possible, because traffic was about to get backed up for a mile or so. I was able to get that done, and now we're back on the road, heading back to the shop. But thanks for watching. I'll show you when we get there. See ya. This thing got smashed all the way around.